Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete a wave order pick task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll receive a pick task. Open the pick task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task home page. For a wave order pick task, the pick by type is wave pick by item. Press the Start Picking button to begin the task, then follow the steps to process the task. Press the first step to begin picking, and remember to make sure you are on the Work page. Go to the suggested location and click the location link or scan the location barcode to start picking. For picking, skip the pallet ID section. However, if you are in a storage location, you will need to either scan the pallet ID or enter it manually. If there's no inventory in this location, press Next to get a new suggestion. Then scan the pallet ID, SKU number, or UPC and enter the pick quantity. Scan or print a new label for the pallet or box for the picked items. Then submit the pick step. If there are more items that need to be picked, continue to finish all and then tap Close Step. Once the pick step is done, start the stage step. Scan or select the staging location before scanning the picked pallet or box to stage. Once you are done scanning, tap Submit. Repeat this step for each item to prepare them for staging. And then tap Close Step. Go back to the home page and select Close this task, then the task is finished. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.